goal with this activity is to really torch the abs. Here's what you're gonna do. You're going to get yourself an ab wheel. At the start, you want your knees about, hip width apart, so I'm about that far away. And then I'm gonna have the ab roller right in front of me. You wanna make sure you reach and exhale at the start. No crunching though. From here, what you're gonna do, if you notice you got a back arch, get a subtle tuck of the hips, not crazy. So I want to just subtle tuck without getting back rounding. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push my kneecap into the ground on one side, opposite leg's coming up. So what that's gonna look like, folks, if you can see me from here, is I got my subtle tuck, I'm going kneecap down, hip up, not like that. I'm gonna maintain that shifted position. I'm gonna do some rollouts with this. Inhale as you go out, exhale, bring it back. So I'm here, reach, subtle tuck, exhale. I got my shift together, but my feet are staying on the ground. Let's get it. Inhale out, exhale back. And it is brutal, folks. Make sure you keep reaching throughout, rinse and repeat. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.